gonna learn the common wire splices and joints and their procedures. But before we start, we need to prepare the following materials. We need solid wire, long nose plier, and wire cutter. So, let's begin!
Rat tail or pigtail. This kind of joint is commonly used to join two or more conductors inside the junction box. It is suitable for service where there is no mechanical stress when wires are to be connected in an outlet box, switch, or conduit fitting. First step is to place the two ends of bare wires in closed position. Then twist the bare conductors about 5 to 7 times by using an ordinary plier. Twist it like this. When you reach the edge, use the other plier to hold the end. Then, cut the edge. Let's tighten up the conductor just like this. This is the rat tail joint or the pigtail joint. Western Union short tie splice. This is the most widely used splice or joint in interior wiring installations to extend the length of wire from one point to another. In doing Western Union short tie, we need to strip the wire. Then put the wires in cross position and twist it like this. The difference between Western Union long tie and Western Union short tie is that Western Union long tie is twisted 5 times while in Western Union short tie, we twist it only 3 times. Then twist it around clockwise and then counterclockwise. Then cut the excess wire. Use again an ordinary plier to hold the wire. Use the 2 pliers to tighten the wires. This is the Western Union short tie.
So now we have the rat tail or pigtail and the Western Union short tie. That's all. Thanks for watching!